Well, welcome. It's Mike back again. This time you find me in Barcelona, Spain. My first trip back to Europe in many, many years. The last time I was here was 38 years ago. I was part of it was a tour back in those days. I was in my 20s, so it was a long time ago, and I probably only spent a couple of days in Barcelona back in those days. But I'm here up in the morning, probably about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm staying in a hotel which is in the main square. Just had a breakfast with the hotel, which was quite nice. But now I'm just out having a first look around. And it's unusual coming back to a European city of so many years. If you watch my channel, you'll notice I've been in Asia mostly the last 2 years, travelling around there. But Barcelona being a very big tourist centre now, Spain's taken over as #1 tourist country in the world from France. Stick with me on this video because I'm going to show you the raw side of Barcelona here early in the morning. I go down a lot of the side alleys into the centre squares before the business gets up and running. So you have a look at Barcelona close up just to see what it's really like without the cosmetics. Stay with me on future videos too, because I'm going to be doing a car tour of the whole of Spain, including Mallorca for 6 days. And then I'll be hiring a car and travelling right around Spain for another 19 days after that. So there's going to be a lot happening here. I'm going to get to as many cities as I can. I'm going to show you how to go about a car trip holiday, how much work's involved, how much effort has to go into it. It is tiring, but it's great fun. And as you know, I'm a solo traveller, so it's interesting. I go all the way up north of Spain, through the centre and down south. But this video here, you'll see much more of Barcelona coming up. Yeah, this is a fabulous part of Barcelona here. My hotel was just down that road with a centre square. But I've come to this area here, which is down by the river here, I think. The port. But there's a lot of old significant buildings here, beautiful old buildings. The sun's starting to come up now. So while I stayed in that hotel area, it's right next to the Gothic quarter, which is an old Roman medieval part of Barcelona. The laneways lead into the Gothic quarter, so it's very similar. Now Barcelona's Spain's second largest city, its population approximately 6 million. It's the capital of Catalonia, so it's 2 languages, Catalonian and Spanish spoken. It's a very multicultural area too, this part of Barcelona. I noticed there was a lot of Moroccan, African, Islamic people. It's high density living, especially around where my hotel was. I was talking to my taxi driver who picked me up from the airport to the hotel. Cost me 37 euros, by the way, into the centre of Barcelona. But I was talking to the taxi driver and he said that yesterday, which was a Saturday, 5 or 5 cruise ships arrived. Big ones too. I saw one of them docked in the water over here yesterday. It was the MSC, is it? Huge cruise ship. He said, yeah, there's 5 arrived in one day. So that gives you an idea on how many people are coming, or how many tourists are arriving in Barcelona and the greater Spain area. But this area here, this seems to be a lot of government buildings or heritage style buildings, been here a long time. So I'm walking along the marina front here. But beautiful weather. It's about, I think the forecast is about 26 degrees for about the last, or 26, 27 degrees for about the next week. So yeah, beautiful. I'm just walking around with shorts now. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. But beautiful, absolutely wonderful weather. It's Mediterranean weather like my hometown, Adelaide, South Australia. Same sort of thing when I drove in. They've just come out of summer here, of course, so everything's brown and dead, you know, the plants and on the sidewalks, parks, everything's brown. It's after a summer. Exactly what Adelaide's like after a hot summer. So they're going into a autumn now here. But yeah, this is amazing, right in the middle of the city. Now I think what I should do is try and get across that. That looks like it's a highway or a train line there. I think I might try and get across there to the other side where these heritage buildings are. It's old stonework, lots of stonework here too, which is nice. Me being a retired stonemason, I always look at the walls. Right, looks like we can go over the road here and get back into probably the business district over there, I would say. Yeah, these little laneways in Barcelona. Look at them. See, they just go down these streets. I saw a car coming down here. But these are obviously apartments, I would say, and they wouldn't be cheap. You're right in the heart of Barcelona here. But they leave it all in its original condition. That's a car park in there. Excuse me, sir. Who lives? Are these private houses, are they?
Yes, private.
Private apartments.
What?
Apartments. Private apartments?
Yeah, they are apartments.
How old would these be, roughly? Do you know age?
19th century.
19th century, yeah. So 100 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah, very Yeah, very narrow streets too.
Well, they are narrower around there.
Are they?
Yeah.
I'll go down here then, have a look.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Who are you? Who are
How
you?
are you doing?
Who are you?
Good?
You're a Spaniard.
No,
Where are you from?
I'm from Morocco.
Oh, Morocco. Down south.
Welcome to Spain.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
live there, you know?
Where do you live
What are
here?
you doing?
You live here?
Yeah.
I just come here. One day.
Oh, just one day. Where
No,
are you from?
no, South Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Okay,
But I come
that's
here
good,
yesterday. Yesterday I arrived here, and I'll stay 3 days, then I'll go to Mallorca,
Oh, Mallorca.
the island.
Ah, she's good.
Hey, what's your name?
My name Mad.
Mud.
Yeah.
How
And
do
you?
Mike.
Mike. Yeah. Nice to meet you, brother.
Good on you. I'll put you on video.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Mud from Spain, Morocco.
From Morocco. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Original from Morocco. Yeah.
Yeah. Should I go to Morocco? I should go to Morocco.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, it's so good.
Good.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah. All right.
Summer is so beautiful. You can just go.
I'll see how I
there
go.
and you
I'll
can
see how I go when I go down to southern Spain. Yeah.
Ah,
Gibraltar. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, brother. Yeah, look, it's it's different. It's much different to what I'm used to, of course. I don't know what this is. What's that? Yeah. Yeah, she's. Yeah, some people going past there. Looks like they're on their way home from a night out, actually. Yeah, it's stone, and it's been, some parts have been rendered over. Yeah, look at it. It's totally different to what I'm used to. So narrow, and so they're about, most of the buildings are all the same height. They look like they're about between 6 and 8 stories high. Good brother. Good brother. Okay, so I've come out into another square, the Hotel Roma. Hotel Roma. Now, I did see that online when I thought about booking my hotel. But see, here we go again, another centralised square here, surrounded all with apartments all the way around. Looks like fine dining in here.
Hello.
What's the name of this one, sir?
Restaurante Tobogán, La Gallega.
How do I say
La
that?
Gallega, Restaurante
Gallega.
Tobogán. La Gallega.
Very good.
Very
Formal,
good,
very
sí.
formal.
Yes.
And what's the name of this square?
Plaza Real. Plaza Real.
Placia
Plaza
Reial.
Real.
Yeah, very nice.
Yes. Plaza Real.
Ah, Real.
Yes.
Yeah. Placia Reial.
Yes.
I'm having trouble with my Spanish. I speak no Spanish.
No Spanish, little? No problem. Thank you.
So there it is, Placia Reial. Hello. Yeah, look, it's amazing. You've got very, very fancy restaurants, but then you've got graffiti all over the walls here. See? We've got another very nice restaurant here. Then you've got more of these little sidewalks off of the main court there. Got a nice little bar here. My bar. Might have to try and get there one night. So stay with me for future videos on this great city of Barcelona, where I'll take you to the major tourist areas where the fabulous Gaudi architecture's on display. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.